All mechanical systems were upgraded, and new windows were added and aligned with the existing windows to maximize all possible openings while keeping costs low. The new deck hugs these trees and is nestled underneath their canopies. A custom steel railing is integrated with a wood rail that continues the rhythm and material of the house facade. The original interior was dark and introverted, so the goal for the renovation was to brighten the rooms while connecting the inside and outside. The internal hallway was shortened by creating a main bedroom suite with a window looking onto the garden at the east of the house. The kitchen, dining, and living spaces are open to create a large flexible social space that is visually connected to the main features of the property, such as the large tree to the west, and the tree line to the south. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.